I am Luis Martin, the art engineer, and I don't know how to use YouTube. Elvis, I went on YouTube today, no joke, and I had all of these messages from like these videos that I posted like a really long time ago, and I was like, oh my god, this is real, like people talk to you. So if you left me a message on YouTube, I'm sorry, I'm old, I don't know how to use technology, that's why my husband's holding the phone now, so I will get to you, I promise. So I have my tea, it's happy hour, turmeric tea. So what did you do this weekend? I had the funnest time. I had a collage birthday party with Mr. Avinia, hey Karen, what's going on? Hey Luisa. And it was a collage birthday party. So I had my Zoom on and I had 9 of his friends and we were celebrating his birthday. And this is what I made for him. So I actually got to make a collage for him from all of the packets that I sent out. We all had similar packs. And the prompt was that we were gonna make a collage that celebrates him. He's an educator, an amazing educator. And so he's kind of a diva too, apparently. So anyway, it was awesome and this is what I made. So I have to mail that to him. One more mail related topic is this. I made, hey, primo, ¿qué onda? I made this from my Valentine's Day paper collage kit. Did I say a bunch of words that didn't go? Paper Valentine's Collage Kit. There we go. And in it, you get one of these. So one of the prompt is that you are going to get a blank postcard, a blank canvas for you to make something and send it off to somebody. So I actually made one and raffled it off. And Selena won, who is like my art fan. If you don't know Selena, at Rocket Chip on Instagram, check her out. She's super talented. So she's getting this in the mail someday because I'm a procrastinator. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I am gonna be working out of the Paper Collage Kit, Paper Valentine's Collage Kit. That's really long to say, I just realized. So I'm gonna make another postcard and I'm gonna raffle it off. So let's see, I'm gonna think of some kind of trivia to ask and maybe win something. I don't know. How are you, Elvis?
Good. Listening to new music.
Oh, that's nice. I love this. Anyway, so you still have time. If you order the Paper Valentine's Collage Kit, you can still make your Valentine's Day postcard and send it and they'd get it in time. Send it to a lover, friend, foe, whatever. So in it, you get this. Check this out. Isn't this fun? It's like the coolest. It's from a yearbook that I found in a thrift shop. So maybe I'll implement this. And okay, so I didn't want to tell anybody about this, but you guys also get stickers. This is actual stickers. So maybe I'll implement this. All right, let's play. I got my tea in my favorite mug from my friend Naomi in California. She got it in, where she got it? Joshua Tree. This is the worst song ever. It's so scary, change it. Elvis's intern, production manager, cameraman. I mean, you guys, find yourself a Valentine's. Okay, so here we go. We're cutting. So Elvis, tell me, what was your favorite Valentine's gift?
Favorite Valentine's Day gift?
Actually, we don't really do Valentine's, do we?
Not
Every
really.
day's Valentine's with you. So I'm cutting this, and this is one of the staples that you get in your collage kit. So maybe I'll use this or I'll use that. I really like this hand. Yeah. I mean, you know, Valentine's Day is a capitalistic invention to make you spend more money. But it's also a perfect opportunity to talk about self-love and self-esteem and all that fun stuff that you can't really monetize unless you have a collage kit like I do. So buy the collage kit and talk about self-love. And with it, we're gonna have a workshop on the 13th and on the 12th, one of two. So this is what we're gonna be working on. I love this hand. This hand is from a door in Barcelona.
If some people joined Artweaver, Beef Fairy.
Hey, Beef Fairy, you made it!
Con perejil.
Hey, Annie, what's going on?
Lowbrow.
I can't wait to do I'm doing a session with Annie, and that's in the works. I mean, we're doing things, people, we're doing things. So, like I said, this is all from the Collage Valentine's Day kit.
Naomi just joined.
Naomi,
Mentioned.
look what I got, my love. My favorite cup. Joshua Tree turmeric tea in my Joshua Tree cup. Hey, Annie. So in the collage kit, you're getting these stickers. Now you're not gonna get these stickers because you're gonna get your own random stickers. So look, this is a really small space, and I think the best thing to always do is play around the edges. Don't go to the center because you're gonna limit yourself. So what happens when you take something like these stickers and you just put it on the edges, right? Let's see what happens. And I'll even use this as my adhesive for it. So instead of taping that, I'm gonna use these stickers that I just ripped. Ah, that's cool. So see, so cool things start happening immediately. And listen, this is all trial and error. We're just having fun here. There's no right, there's no wrong, but there is ugly. So we'll see what comes out, and that's perfectly cool. I love that. And then, what else do I have in my kit? I have a
more
naked
people joining.
man.
We have lowbrow. We have expressionist.
Hey, a great podcaster just joined. Oh, in your package, you're gonna get this. Check this out. Now, this really hurt when I cut it because it's so beautiful, but I really wanted you to have it. It's by this illustrator, Vargas, who, look at this. He did pinup girls. So what would you do with this if you got this? So start thinking as you order your collage kits, what would you do with that? I know, it's almost too pretty to cut, right? But you have to. All right. So I'm still thinking of what would be a good trivia question to ask. Name 2 collage artists, and don't Google it. There you go. Whoever answers that gets this collage that I'm making right here. Could you name 2 collage artists?
You.
Me. So this comes in the collage kit as well, and this has such a nice border that you can repurpose it.
Selena.
You're disqualified, my friend. You don't qualify to win this, so stop thinking. So look, really easy peasy. And if you have markers, feel free to draw. So which one do you like? Who's the cutest guy right there, Elvis? Choose one. Who are we choosing?
That one.
That one. So we're gonna put a big ol' heart around this guy. That didn't quite work, but it's okay. So we can fill it in. So what I'm saying is that feel free to draw. And look, all of a sudden, oh, what if these are 2 lovers? See, okay, that's what happens. You just create a narrative as you go. Right? So now I'm gonna try to be like, oh, a connection was made.
So Expression Quest just wrote down 2 collage artists.
Who?
Man Ray and Robert Roshan.
Correct! Ding, 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 ding. You're so right. Okay, and those were like major players. So you win. As I play with this, I'm really not all that happy with this. So you know what you get, my friend? You're gonna get your very own Valentine's Day Paper Valentine Collage Kit. All right, so send me your information and you're gonna get one of these and you're gonna be part of the workshop. So tell your friends. But let's keep playing. All right. You're right, I'm drinking my tea and I'm sweating on this. So we're just having a good time. I mean, the whole point of it, you know, enjoy the process. So I hate these guys, but they're really, really effective sometimes. I don't know if you guys could see that, but we just got a alert notification from our Uber Eats of Mexico while we were there. They don't want to leave us alone, and we really love them. So in your kit, you will also get some Wizard of Oz paraphernalia. You get some Rumi too, the poet. A little butt, not too much, but yeah. So let's see what else. Oh, I feel a little limited. I didn't bring my my other stuff, but it's okay. So remember what I said. If you stay inspired, you don't have to get inspired. I always have my box. So if you have your box, you will never run out of material to play with. I mean, check that out. Sky, look at, whoa, right? This is from a French comic book, from a postcard a friend sent me. Oh, and of course I always have stickers, and stickers always save the day, honestly.
So we have more joiners. We have Daniel.
Daniel!
Sinking.
Daniel wasn't gonna join because he was watching UK RuPaul. Thanks, friend. I'm just kidding. Hey, what are you doing? You haven't ordered Collage Kit yet, my friend. I'm waiting. You know you get a friend discount, paid double. No, I'm just kidding. But yes, so RuPaul UK is happening. It's really fun. I couldn't tell you who's in it, but it's just such fun to watch because it's so silly.
Luisa loves stickers.
Luisa, you do some amazing stuff with your stickers. I love it. You know what's funny? I tried to boost my post of the Collage Kit, but because it says not safe, or what is it? What does it say?
NSFW.
It says parental advisory, explicit content. They didn't approve it. Hey, what's going on over there? And they were like, sorry, we do not approve the sale of sex toys, vibrators, or... And I thought, shoot, how did they know that I can fit all of that in a thin little thingamabob? All right. So now...
We even had J-Run, the Westie, joining.
What? That little bitch. No, I'm kidding. They're a dog. They're great. All right, so listen. I'm pretty much done with this, but what do you do with all this empty space? Like, there's all this nasty white space. Well, you create a pattern. So one of my favorite patterns is just going XOXO or cross XO cross, right? And that instantly activates the space. And you don't know what it is if it's like, you know, a plan for a football game, if it's tic-tac-toe, if it's XOXO hugs and kisses. God only knows, but it's fun. So, I think I'm almost done with this. Elvis, are there any announcements that I'm forgetting? Look, this is a fun tool, you guys. If you don't have this, get one. This is to block out your address and things that you throw away. But look what I'm gonna do. It just creates, again, such fun texture. That, voila. All right, so I made my collage for my Valentine's, and it's basically a love story. These two guys met in the 60s, now they're two old married couple living in Bali, not affected by the pandemic at all. Happiness rules, you guys. So that's it, and look, the stamp is there, I'm sending it off. Hey, Aaron. So this is my collage for today. Thank you for hanging out. I got my tea, I hope you got yours. Stay warm.
Well, architect, she wants to know what was the ink thing.
Oh, sorry. Hold the press. Okay, so this is the most amazing thing, you guys. It's called Guard Your ID. And look what it does.
It's an address blocker, right?
It's literally like a really cool stamper roller. Look. And it creates this amazing texture of just like random letters. So I love to just play with it. As a matter of fact, I'm glad you stopped. Look, hey, it's Rose. I love Rose. Check this out. I made this yesterday. And I just went a little crazy, you guys, and I wanted to make something round. And it's actually Marilyn Monroe, but I want it to be not Marilyn Monroe. So I put like a nice mask. But look, I made this texture, this pattern with this. I cut out a flower and then used the edges and just rolled it over like a stencil. Isn't that fun? It's really, really fun. And then also, while I'm here, look what I did yesterday too. This is also stuff from the Collage Kit. I'm sending you some old reproductions of paintings in black and white. And look what you can do. Aaron, you're so smart. I'm totally gonna look that up. Aaron thought that I can make this into a slip mat, like on a record player. I'm on it. Or let me know if you know anybody. But look at this. I basically used a black and white art book as a coloring book. So if you have one of these that you see in a thrift shop, literally buy it and literally get markers and use it as a coloring book. So I started coloring it in with all these silly colors to inspire me. I also did this guy. I thought this guy was fun. So listen, it's scary times, but it doesn't have to be. So if you can escape with a little art, with a little paper Valentines, do it. All right, so it's at collagedream.com, and I will enjoy my tea. Ciao, see you next week.